Hi everyone, it's Veet Karen from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and I know it's not 2:10, but we're out on a little outing today. We're having a few days of outings, and I'm bringing you tips at 2:10 at whatever time it is, 1 o'clock. Is anyone there? Please let me know if you're there. And if you're there, let me know, and even if you're watching this and it's not live, let me know what you like to take on picnics, because that's what we're doing today. We've got a picnic. So like a good citizen, I've got my hand sanitizer. That's what we do these days. But actually, to be honest, I've always carried a hand sanitizer. Well, actually, since I was been traveling in India, and I've been traveling in India for the last 20 odd years, probably longer. Yeah. I've got to look more at the lens. That's what my cameraman's telling me. Anyway, I've got that's not my sandwich, that's Max. He's got his full-on gluten sandwich, so I better not eat that. That'll be trouble. And I've got my spelt sandwich. I'm actually gluten-free, so I shouldn't be eating spelt, but it's so good. And my mum and dad, when we went on road trips, used to pack egg sandwiches. The lens is where? There. Oh, okay.
No, it's up the top there.
Oh, it's up the top there. Has anyone there? What's your favourite sandwich when you go on a picnic? Let me know. And I've got egg sandwiches. No, I don't. I'm vegan. But I used to pack the egg sandwiches. So let's see if we can see what's on my sandwich. Look, I already had a bite when I was making it. Anyway, don't do that. That's not a great tip. I've got in there chickpeas. So I cooked up some chickpeas and then smashed them up and put all the things that we would put in an egg sandwich. So I put in capers and dill gherkins and not sun-dried tomatoes. No one's there anyway. Anyway, yeah. So, and I also put in my cameraman wasn't supposed to speak. Isn't he funny? Anyway, and I also put in spring onions from the garden. And I put on some rocket and homemade mayo. Now you can find the homemade mayo recipe and this chickpea egg imitation sandwich on my website. On my website, and my website is www.veets.com.au, and there's lots of recipes. Go on the blog and look up mayonnaise and look up egg sandwich.
And got another W in it.
Okay, stop. My cameraman is being super naughty. He's getting the sack. Hi Lily. Oh, you're watching from East Timor. Hello to everyone in East Timor. Love you, everyone. Yes, and so you can go over to my website and check out all my recipes over there. And yeah, and please share this, because this egg sandwich, or not egg sandwich, chickpea sandwich is so easy to make, and it would be great for children, for their lunches, or if you go on picnics. And I don't usually like eating on camera, but I'm going to show you. Oh yes, I put some black salt in so it does taste like eggs. Now I normally don't do that because I don't mind that it doesn't taste like eggs, but for people who miss eggs, pop black salt in. And I'll tell you tomorrow what black salt is, okay? But you can buy it, and it is not unhealthy. It's yeah, it's great. It does come from the Himalayas, so we don't use it that much because we like to support local. We use local salt, but now and again black salt is great. All right, thank you everyone who is watching, and also for people who are going to watch, and please share this. I'd love it if you shared it. All right, thank you. Oh, I'm going to have a bite. Yum, bye.